It's a Rheem 50 installed in 06. It's leaking. You can see it's leaked a lot closer, and I've seen that, and I just kind of was busy with other things. Now it's growing, the leak. So I'm wondering, is this going to just fall apart in a couple days, or do I have a couple days to deal with this? First. And then second is the plumbing. So I'm sure I can do the electrical. I'm good at that. And I've done plumbing, but not a lot of PVC. So, but just wanted to know if I should attempt this. I've done soldering, but it appears that maybe it's just screw on right here and here and here and here. So maybe this is really easy. Just wanted to get an idea of whether I should attempt this. I think I can do it.